guys, Broken here, and today I'm with my friend Athletic Bone Only. Athletic Jammer.
Yeah,
I used to call it.
I'm gonna upload this video to my channel too. So yeah, it's Athletic. I'm here with my friend as well, obviously. So yeah.
Yep.
Like,
playing some Animal Jam.
Yes, we're playing AJ. Because what else do I play on my channel?
Cancer.
Nope.
Simulator.
Nope.
Yes. Alright, so, I've been playing Animal Jam for a while, and you guys
I've been playing it longer, obviously.
Yeah, but I'm rarer.
He's more. He has some pretty good stuff. I'll go show you.
Look at how awesome that snake is. He's just crawling in and out of everything.
In and out. Okay.
Alright, so
here, am I your dad? Let's go to the lobby part. Hello. This is him, Broken Gaming. Yes.
Yeah, and that's my friend. Let's go to the club.
Let's go.
Yeah, hop here.
Hop? No. Dance. Body rocking the house tonight. Why are you on the floor? You're over there.
What? I'm on the
floor.
floor.
Move like to there, and then your computer will move to there, like from my screen.
Oh, that was weird.
My computer's glitchy.
I just looked at his computer. That was so weird.
What would you expect from a crappy Chromebook?
I expected.
I would least expect Call of Duty Black Ops 3.
And I'd at least expect this.
Oh yeah, guys! First off, before we do anything,
let me expand the Bandicoot.
I am going to show you something awesome. Look, so this is an extension. Look, so what you do is you hold Control. If it's gonna work? Yep, it's gonna work. And then hold on. Okay, so you pull out this gun, and then crap. Oh, come on, just work. Yes.
So yeah, you might be seeing it on his screen, you know.
It's a pretty intense thing. Yeah.
All right, so here, let me switch to full screen. All right, so it's recording the whole screen. No,
my computer can't do that.
I'll set it over here on the big screen. Alright, so let's just go to a website that has a bunch of crap on it.
Let's go.
Like Google.
No, let's go to Club Penguin. Club Penguin. We're not playing Club Penguin, because Club Penguin's cancer game. But, actually, no, I'll just do it on here. Look.
Okay, yeah, we're doing it on Club Penguin.
Because Club Penguin's, cancer.
I'm not even playing it. It's too much cancer.
Whoa! Whoa, that all changed to this.
Alright, whoa! Whoa, dude, hey, Nick, are any of these betas?
Snow boots.
Snow boots are beta?
I don't know, actually.
I'm not doing that still.
Look, I am destroying everything.
Club Penguin's cancer.
Yes.
The most cancer you can ever get. Oh my god.
It's not falling! Fall!
Raiden. Really? That's so low of you.
Yes, let's do this. Oh, look what I have done. Oh, 1,000! I got 1,000. Yes. Okay, I destroyed Club Penguin. Well, kinda. I went on the website. Not really.
Alright, so,
Burp.
what do you want to do it now? See what party's going on. Best guess game.
No, best guess is stupid.
I
don't. The summer card
find
is not that cool either.
So let's go to the trading area and
try getting a collar.
No, I'm not getting a. Dude, I'm never getting a spike. Like, what are the chances?
I don't know. There really is no chance unless you buy it from the diamond shop when they come. So yeah.
Wait, don't they come in summer?
I think. I don't know. You guys can tell us in the comments because we don't know.
Yeah, we're freaking idiots.
We're idiots.
I wish I could kill his pet.
Mine?
No, Brayden's. You click on it and it'll die. Deep nurse.
Yeah, but
Deep.
what?
Oops. Oh, sorry, bye. He's just like,
Reading.
oh, shit. Crap.
He's crap.
This is awkward.
Is that stuck?
Pumpkin.
On your screen, it's like stuck.
What is?
Your message, like you're not appropriate message. Oh my god.
Wait, it's still stuck on my screen?
I think. I don't know.
Beta. Alright, let's just go do some trading and shit.
Dude, stop cussing.
That's how I do my videos, dude.
Yeah,
You don't know the broken style, do
well,
you?
Yes, I do, cause I subscribe
Dude.
to it.
I might be able to get Den Beta.
Really? Okay, cool. I'm at the Epic Beta Lab, which is not even a lab. Liar.
Okay, think I can sell some stuff from my inventory. How much would the Freedom hat sell for?
Freedom? I don't know, not that much. Probably like 300 something. 45 gems.
90. Those are... Should I recycle it?
I don't know. You're
10,000 gems!
Dude, I am doing crap right now because it's so much.
Okay, so Alright guys, I just got a Den Beta. And that's how you get your first Den Beta.
Yes!
Actually, I had the Mecha Dragon Egg.
Which I have. Well, I used to. Can you stay there?
I used to have
Dude, I have no betas anymore because I gave you my last one.
High top sneakers for my wings.
No. You can buy those in the shop, dude.
For like a couple of gems.
I found an igloo.
Ooh, there's the host. They're links.
Links. Ew. Linkser.
They're
Linksers. Linksers. Oh, my neck hurts. I'm like literally standing up. Here, can I like sit on this or something? Can I sit in your chair too?
I'm sure. You want cancer?
I do want cancer.
I'm the most cancer person here. What do you expect?
Okay.
Let's see more.
Want.
I found.
Who has not had? Wait, freedom what? I already have one. That's breed and I think. Yeah, it's breed.
Socrates nuts.
Do beta.
That is?
Yeah.
They probably won't know it's a beta. They're probably idiots. Wait, where do you get it?
It's actually a beta that you can't get anymore.
Oh, I'll give them USA! I'm sorry for all of you in Canada and other fucking countries. You cunt.
Oh wait, guys, ready? Work, please. Yes.
Trade.
Do it. Yes.
Just do
Here,
it!
guys.
Don't let your dreams be dreams.
Yes. He is right.
Alright, guys, we just...
God, dead beta.
Alright, we got another Den Beta. This is on the... Trading Den Betas for... Den Betas.
Here. Who has a long collar? I'll give full friendship armor. I think I smell friendship. Yeah, I found friendship.
Trading Den Betas for Spike wristbands.
Who has a long collar? I'll give full friendship armor.
I'm trading Den Betas for a Spike wristband.
No. I want something actually.
That Gwen person.
Oh, Spike wristband. I want a long
guys
collar.
aren't gonna get one, right?
I want a long collar. Big long collar. That's what I
Shut
want.
up, Brayden. You don't know me.
What does Brayden want?
What's cancer?
I'm a dog.
Hey
Dogs.
guys, you might want to take off your headphones right now, or mute your device for the next, 10 seconds, because you might get ear cancer. Okay, I hope you actually listened to me and weren't just a dick. It's a lot of cancer.
Lots of it. It's time to go.
Beta, beta, beta.
Beta, 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 beta. It's a beta, beta. Boop, 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 boop. Beta, beta. Boop, 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 boop. Beta, beta.
Training.
Oh my god, yes! There's a thing called Night Medieval Dan. Woohoo! What's this? Oh my god. It's the best den. It's not even a den. You can't... Dude, if you could buy this as a den, people would go... Frick. Okay, Steely, I will trade you. Only for a collar. What the fudge is this?
What are those? What are those? What are those?
What
are those?
Honey?
What are those?
Drop the bass.
Drop the bass.
Drop the bass. Ice armor.
Reading.
Guys, if I'm doing a horrible trade, please tell me, but I want spiked hair like this. For no actual reason that says gonna be no. Rejection! And, ooh, cool items on trade. Yeah, I honestly don't believe you.
Thanks you, Denvis, for...
Okay, I take it back. Holy fudging crap. This person has a freaking diamond red studded collar, and I'm gonna take it. Like literally take it. Like, so take it. It's gonna be mine. Mine. It's gonna be mine.
I'm sorry, guys, for all this lag and cancer.
Yes, cancer lag. What are those?
Alright, let's actually put our den betas on trade.
I don't even have any because you took mine. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Wait, why
Rare,
are my
color,
freedom
rare.
wings on trade?
Your what?
My freedom wings. They're on trade. Oh yeah, I was proving Billy and them. Okay, I'm putting my 2 den betas on trade.
They can't believe this person has a studded frickin' collar. Dude, I just asked this person what for the collar. This person's like, cool, I use some trade. Give an answer!
They have a
Jeez.
Mech Angel helmet.
Really?
You can trick people that you have,
Collar! Frickin' collar!
Long! Guys, this is a spiked long. Dude, what should I trade? Should I trade
Everything you have!
Everything I have?
Yes!
Even my den betas?
Yes!
Dude, this person's not gonna accept. Even for every item I have. Not even for every item I own. They're not gonna accept this. They're probably gonna, scream.
They're gonna be like, what kind of trade is this?
They're gonna be like, oh my god, this person's
They're like,
trading
oh
me
my
their whole
god, look at that
inventory just
face.
for the spike collar. Is this a bad idea?
All your friendship armor and stuff or spike collar. I mean, probably not. I mean,
Well, it's worth it.
if you get, it's a collar, dude. I mean, I know how you get them, but, you need, they appear in the diamond shop for like 3 diamonds occasionally.
3 diamonds?
No, just joking.
Expensive.
You wanna know how much diamonds they are?
How many?
7 diamonds for 1 collar. Well, sometimes, also it can be 4 diamonds,
then I'm
5.
just gonna add in
I think
my
it's 5
genders.
diamonds.
5 diamonds?
I think it's 5 diamonds for a collar.
Long? Oh, we can't trade right now.
Oh, get the wrecked. Get the erect. Okay. Robin 2354. I can't read people. Ooh. This person that
Sending this person a buddy.
but a butt request. A butt.
Damn, son.
Which if that is okay, you know what? I need some help. Help me. Yes, let's do this.
Do it!
Yes.
Just do it!
Wait, I need you to press X.
Don't let your dreams be dreams.
Oh my God. Okay, she's trading right now. Tell me when she's not trading.
Who?
When there's no trading marks. Right there.
All right. Sure. She's done trading.
She's done trading?
She's probably about to get in our trade.
Dude, I have so much crap I'm giving her.
Is she like giving her like everything? Dude, is there any way you can get me diamonds?
No.
You got Brayden diamonds?
Yeah, because I got... No, I didn't.
Oh. Can you give me some?
I didn't get Brayden any.
I know, but you got him a membership.
Yeah, but I don't have any money.
Okay, alright.
Is she still not trading?
She's still off a trade. At least in my computer, she probably is because my computer's laggy. Still off a trade.
Son.
If she's wearing the collar, she's gonna decline it. If
She's not. She's wearing a different color.
Okay, good.
A different long. But that's the color I want of long.
It's a white one. Completely white collar.
I think she's looking through the items right now like, oh my God.
Oh! Get
They
major
declined
lead.
it?
They left too. Wow. Well, that sucks.
That was my entire inventory just for a spike.
Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Oh my God, what the freaking rare horn helmet? Hey, this person's not even wearing it. I mean, she probably will give it to me if I give her this. Even though it's not even rare. So I can buy another one once I get like 3 diamonds. Remember how much it freaking costs.
It's 1 diamond.
It's the ice helmet?
Yeah.
That's not that much.
I know it's 2 if it's in helmet. Dude, there's like no non-nubbies. All these people are nubs.
Nubs. This person...
I've been recording for 18 minutes, guys. I'm kind of bored of recording. We're gonna go play some Cancer.
On the Wii U.
Yeah, because...
Even though I do like Nintendo a lot. I like in love with Nintendo.
But anyways, guys, that'll do it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed.
Yes.
But if you have,
Yes.
be sure to subscribe and like.
Time for some good music.
Peace.
I got my own outro, kinda. I just turn on my music.
Finished.
Let's do this. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I already finished.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See ya.
Spike on trade.
Oh, that's a Halo too. Man. Anyway, see ya.